Ramadan is a special month for Muslims. It comes once every year. In this month, Muslims fast. To fast means you do not eat or drink during the day. You start fasting at sunrise. You stop fasting at sunset. During the day, people do not eat food. They also do not say bad words. They try to be calm and kind. Ramadan is not only about food, it is about the heart. It is about being a better person. Many people wake up very early. They eat a small meal before sunrise. This meal is called suhoor. It helps them have energy. It helps them have energy during the day. At sunset, families sit together. They wait for the call to prayer. Then they eat. This meal is called iftar. Many people start with dates and water. After that, they eat rice, soup, meat, and bread. Ramadan is also time for prayer. People pray more in this month. Many people go to the mosque at night. They pray special prayers called Taraweeh. Ramadan is also about helping others. People give money to the poor. Families share food with neighbors. They visit family and friends. Children also enjoy Ramadan. They see lights in the streets. They see decorations in homes. They feel happy at iftar time in particular. At the end of Ramadan, there is a big holiday. It is called Eid al-Fitr. On this day, people wear new clothes. They visit family. They eat special food. They give gifts to children. It is called Eidiyah. Ramadan teaches patience. It teaches kindness. It teaches self-control. It helps people feel thankful for food, water, and life. Ramadan is not only about eating, it's about love, faith, and being good to others. That is why Ramadan is very important for many people around the world. Thank you very much, and I wish you a blessed Ramadan. Have a good day.